Good afternoon, students. I hope all of you are aware about one notification which we received from ICAI regarding your July-August examination. So, first of all, before going to that notification, many of these students are having a confusion, or I started to receive so many WhatsApp calls, etc. They're having a query, sir, what to do now? What is your advice now? Shall I go and write the examination, or shall I opt out? Shall I go and accept this option? That's called opt out. Opt out means you can write the examination in November. So I thought instead of answering all those queries one by one, let me shoot some video and I will post in my WhatsApp or social media so that will clarify all your doubts. Friends, first of all, this notification is very welcome. So how can you say this is again very welcome? Again, it's creating so much of confusion among the students. No. If, say for example, if institute cancel the examination, there are people will go and say that I thought of writing the examination, I was prepared, institute suddenly cancel the examination, all those nonsense. Suppose institute are not given this option, people will come and say that at this particular situation with the COVID issue, etc., how institute thinks that I can go and write the examination, etc., etc. So now our institute has given a full stop to all those issues. So let me come to your queries, or let me speak from the student's point of view. So what I supposed to do? Please leave it whether the notification is good or not good, IC is really good or they're not good. Leave all those things. Please tell us what we are supposed to do. Friends, we don't know at this particular scenario what to do, because every people we are running that, like we are going with the going concern concept only. What is going concern concept? In accounts. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. What will be the notification from state government? What will be the notification from central government? We don't know. Tomorrow what will be the cases? We don't know. COVID cases. So at this particular scenario, okay, I advise you, or I will tell you some information. Based on that you can decide. In your state or in your area, town, if the cases are okay, it's controllable, of course you can go and write the examination. Sir, in my area there are so many issues are there, like in Tamil Nadu now the cases are numerous cases is going in Chennai. So it will be very difficult to travel, sir, all those things. I advise you not to travel in the public transport now. So from the student's point of view, everybody can't offer for cab or bike, etc. So there are so many issues are there. We are not supposed to look only from tier 1, tier 2 cities and decide go by Ola, go by Uber, etc. No, there are so many tier 3, tier 4 cities are there where there is no taxi, there is no auto. Of course, there are certain places in southern south of Tamil Nadu and other places there is no bus facilities at all. So it will be a problem for them. Even though governments are running public transport now, I don't know how far it's safe. Government says that only 50% of occupation, but now again it goes with 120% of occupation only. So what to do? என்னோட ஏரியாவில் எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இல்லை சார், somehow controllable right now, ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை சார் அப்படின்னா you can. இல்லை சார் என்னோட ஏரியாவில் ரொம்பவே பிரச்சனை இருக்குன்னா பப்ளிக் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் தான் சார் யூஸ் பண்ணால் don't write the examination in July. Please go and get that option, opt out option. You can go and write in November, no problem at all. See, ஒரு 6 month போஸ்ட் பண்ணாலும் ஒன்றும் பெருசாக சேஞ்ச் ஆக போகிறதில்ல. சரி சார், இதனோட மெரிட்ஸ் டிமெரிட்ஸ் என்ன சார், குயிக்காக சொல்லுங்கள் சார். ஸோ மெரிட்ஸ் டிமெரிட்ஸ்னு வரும்போது மெரிட்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா நீங்கள் when you go and write the exam in July, I hope so that the number of candidates will be less. The number of candidates will be less. But when you go and take exam in November, I personally feel, it's my personal opinion only, the number of candidates may increase comparing with the normal. Like in the last November 19 examination, only 2 lakh students have written the examination. I'm giving you just an example. In this November, it may go to 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs also. Very well, that is possible. So when the number of students are keep on increase, there will be a certain other issues which I can't disclose it. So அடுத்தது எடுத்துக்கிட்டிங்கன்னா, சார் I have an exemption. I have already rendu time I have written my examination. This is my last attempt. What to do? Shall I write July or November? Of course, you can write anything, no problem on that. But you are forced to select this option, opt out option, if you are not going to write July. Because when you have an exemption, or when you feel that this is the last attempt, like old syllabus, new syllabus confusion, as per the old syllabus, this is the last attempt. If you are not opted out, then I think this will be your last attempt. Because there is no much clarity on that in the notification, we have to wait and see. Say for example, intermediate or final, old syllabus is coming examination, July is the last attempt. You are in the confusion. So you are thinking that, okay, even if you go and avail that opt-out option now, if situation is good at the time when examination is going to be held, I will not be in the position to write the examination. Because once you opt out, you will be completely away from your July examination. You are eligible to write only November. So let it be. I will leave it as it is. In July, okay, end of the July, if the scenarios are good, let me go and write the examination. Till that particular moment, let me continue with my preparation. So scenario is not good, let me decide that I am not going to write the examination. Let me take this decision in the month of July when examination is going to come. If you think like that, then I hope it will be easy for you. Because as I told you, coming July is last attempt for you as per old syllabus, or you have exemption, already 2 attempts are over, this is 3rd attempt, after that will not be carry forward. In that case, if you are not opt out, if you are not selected this opt out option, I think you will never get that benefit in November 2020 examination. Okay, so those people are, they have to take the decision very carefully whether to avail this opt out option or just go and take the examination. Because the people who's having an exemption and last attempt the category like old syllabus, etc., they have to take a clear decision. I'm going to write this July exam or go and take the opt-out option. Don't be the dilemma on that. Is it clear? So this is one thing. I personally feel that I think in the last 2 months or 3 months from February or March and onwards, like April, May, you are completely free. You would have utilized the complete time with your preparation. In that case, of course, even though offices and other operations have been restored now, it is not full-fledged like in the earlier days, morning 8 to evening 8, etc. Now, many offices also just opening at 9:30 or 10 o'clock, closing at 5 o'clock. You will be having so much of time with you. And you don't have any other, entertainment facilities like going to movie, going to this place, that place, etc. So you would have been saved with a lot of time. In that scenario, the issues are okay at the time when you are going to write the examination. Please go and write the examination. Or the cases, COVID cases are going to increase like anything. Then you decide and go and write examination in November 20. So this is my opinion. Let me come to the summary because video is going long. So the people for whom this July is last attempt as per their existing syllabus are the people who is having exemption and this is the last attempt. Hereafter that exemption will not be carried forward. Only those people needs to take a decision now whether to go and write the exam or opt out now. Otherwise it will be a problem for you. Other candidate, my advice, just leave it. Don't go and take this opt out option. Let it be. If this situation is good at the time when examination is going to be, go and take your examination. If this situation is not good, just go and revise. In November examination, aim for rank or aim for good mark. That is my small advice. I hope this information would have been will be helping for you. I'm sorry for that taken a long time. Thank you. Wish you all the best. God bless you. But at any time, don't stop your preparation. You continue with your preparation. Even if you're not going to write, exam in July, okay, no problem at all. Revise. You would have been revised at least 5 times. Take model test, and when you go for November examination, it 100% it should be a good mark, not just pass. It should be a colorful mark. Thank you. Wish you all the best.